Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A JDK 11 or newer and Java flight recorder enabled on the target JVM. Launch JDK Mission Control from your JDK or the JMC binary. You will see the JVM browser. Once done, locate the process by PID or connect remotely via host and port. Make sure to accept certificates for remote connections when prompted. You're now ready to create a recording or attach a live recorder. This first step opens the data pipeline you'll analyze next. You'll now create and configure a flight recording. Open the new recording dialog, pick a sensible duration and max file size, and enable events like GC and allocations for the behaviors you care about. Once configured, start the recording and observe live charts, CPU, heap, threads, so you can validate data collection. If you need continuous monitoring, toggle continuous mode and set rollover. Make sure to label recordings clearly. That makes later correlation and comparison far easier when you analyze complex traces. You finish by opening the recording in Mission Control and running the automated analysis to highlight anomalies and expensive methods. Explore the JVM browser, thread, allocation, and flight recorder pages. Use flame graphs and hot method tables to pinpoint bottlenecks. Once done, export findings or save snapshots for comparison. If results look sparse, check your JVM flags and permissions, confirm the correct JVM version, and rerun with higher event resolution. A single troubleshooting tip: enable more verbose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.